Hey learner, this is nileshhanumantborate. In this video we have to see the another concept of function, that is the scope of a variable. Okay, so there are the two types of a scope, local scope and global scope. So first we have to see what is the actual meaning of a scope. So scope of variable is the region or part of the program. Okay, this is the highlighted point in which the variable is visible or accessible. They determine the part of the program where the variable can be used. So it is the lifetime of the variable. So scope is the lifetime of a variable. So what is the meaning of a lifetime? That means the period of a time for which is allocated to a variable. So it is called as a scope. So there are the two types. First one is that the block or local scope. Okay, so it is defined within a function, means the variable is accessible only within a function or a block. Block means opening bracket and the closing bracket. It is accessible only within the block. It cannot be used outside the block. Okay, so there are the advantage. Data integrity is preserved since a function cannot access the data of another function. Okay, and only necessary data can be passed to a function, thus protecting the remaining data. So these are the advantage. Next one is that the file or the global scope. Okay, it is the opposite of a local scope. It is defined outside a function. It can be used in any function in the program. Okay, if the sum data is needed by all the function, then it is made as a global. So it can be accessible to the all the function. So there is a one drawback or the disadvantage. By using accessing the variable by using the all functions, so we cannot protect this data. Any function can modify this value. Okay, so see you on example on next section. So here I can create one program scope.c. I can declare here hash include stdio.h, then my main method. I can also use one function display. I can declare one global variable I equal to 10 and declare one function void display. Okay, so here I can print the value of I /n. I is equal to %d comma I. Here I can also print the value of I /n. I is equal to %d comma I. So here I can use, this is my main method I and this is my function I. Okay, and here I can call the display function. So you can see that, compile that code and run. You can see main and function both are printing the value of I because value of I is my global value. They can be used in any function. So in main method I can also print the value of I, and in display function I can also print the value of I. Okay, but if I can define the value in display function int j equal to 20, here I can print the j equal to %d. Okay, I can print here I comma j. Okay, so compile this code and run. You see that here function I and j both value will be printed, but in main method if you try to print the value of j %d comma j, then you see that what will happen. Compile. So there is an error. J is the undefined variable because in that program, so j is the local variable. So access of local variable is only within this block. Outside this block, the j variable is the unknown variable. So if you print the value of j in main method is the outside block of the code, so they getting the error. Okay, So in local variable only access within the block, we cannot access this variable outside the block. Okay, so here we cannot print the value of a j. So this is the global variable and the local variable. Okay, so if you have any queries, then type on your query in comment box. Subscribe this channel. See you on next video. Thank you.